Jack.
Kasi yung chocolate yan. Wala. Di ba wala sa chocolate? Wala ka naman nilagay yung chocolate eh. Oreo lang ito.
Okay, thank you for renting the whole place again. Asan ba sila? Birthday ni Caleb. Grabe naman to.
Pwede kayo lang. Nanay ng hotman.
Where are they? Yung mga classmates ni Caleb. Caleb! Birthday boy! Happy birthday! Classmate ni Caleb. Maynard.
So thirsty.
Oh, inom ka water. But not too much, baka mag-vomit ka.
Oh, yeah! Parkour! I can hear parkour! I'm your Caleb! First one! Kaya ko yan! Push yourself! Push yourself! Yan! Tapos na!
Konti na lang.
Sayang! Huwag dalawa! Hey, dalawa! Do we want mother?
What?
I got 7. Oh, I got 24. It's giving me more points. Okay, I got 24. Stop. Stop again. Why?
Wow! Birthday boy! How's your birthday? Hello!
Okay.
else are they? Tara! Daddy! Chito. Si Ed. Choppers, Caleb. Ha? Ah, nagba-basketball. Asa basketball? Birthday, Caleb. May nagdadayaan. Yan, dalawang madaya. Naglaban. Huh? Dalawang madaya yung naglaban. Ka? Birthday boy, tired. May dala kang towel. Hala. So, begin. Namamayat to, namamayat. Go! Woo! There's Cara and Chop Chop. And there's Caleb and Daspar. Play. Hi, birthday boy! Saan yung iba niya? Ha?
Let's go play ang gamit ko. Bag ko. Bag ko.
Sa laban.
Kailangan ko ng tubig.
Okay, get going. Play me like a wrecking ball. Wrecking ball, ready? Go, 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 go! Ah, wall climb. Parang malaka. Asan sila?
Very good.
Are you having fun, Caleb? Ha? Sa birthday mo? Good. Taasan mo kasi. Go! Haba ng buhelo nito. Matambang.
Okay?
Wala na. Naubos na yung buhelo niya. Woo! Tumbling! Woo! Wow! Chika jump! Chika jump! Bibay ulit. End attempt. End attempt na yan. Woo! Wow! Ikaw naman, Chop. Dali. Ay, teka na. Diyan si Chico. Woo! Chop, Chop!
Tikit, gano'n ka.
1, 2, 3, go, Karen.
Sama tayo. Tikit ha.
1, 2, 3. Sa isa lang daw.
Tikit.
1, 2, 3.
Tikit ka, conscious lang. Tikit lang.
Go! Chop is jumping. Go, tumbling. Tumbling, Chop.
Saan?
Kara. Dali. Go! Nabali. Forward and jump. Forward and jump. Pang mababali yan, Chop. Caleb, the birthday boy. Why? Boom! Wow!
For how much hours is that?
2 hours.
2 hours, I think 3.
Nag-enjoy ka? Did you have fun?
Ayun.
Wow.
5th day.
Okay. Doon ka sa other side dito. Fight tayo.
Is this a long class?
Yup. 1, 2, 3, go! Goal! Block! Where's the ball? Time's up! Enjoy pa sila. Caleb, let's go na! Wow! Flower for Tyler. Share kayo ni Kuya kasi
Gusto niya kumain dito tapos busog na siya bago dumaan. Kinain niya na yan.
Next broadcast, we have a special guest today.
Who we good?
We have here Mr. Caleb celebrating his
Birthday!
Okay guys, can I say happy you say birthday? Happy
Birthday!
Happy
Birthday!
At the count of 3, I want to hear yours.
Loudest and proudest exercise!
Yeehaw! 1, 2, 3.
happy birthday. Wish. Thank you. Yay. Props lang. So, birthday ni Caleb, may nalibre. Sponsor. We're gonna buy ice cream after ng kainan. Sila.
What's this? I'm gonna go far. Woo! No, run!
Mode. Eating ice cream. Oh, ito yan na. Let's eat ice cream. And then after this, uwian na. Happy birthday, Caleb. I will unbox his gifts from Chube and Shop. Okay.
Puma. Puma. Puma.
Slippers. Yan na, may bago ka ng slippers.
How do you open this again?
Yan. Wow. Oh, yan oh. Na-adjust. So, kasha siya sa'yo. Nice. Ganda. Try mo kung kasha.
Adjustable. If it's too, ano.
Adjustable siya. So, hanggang paglaki mo. Yan, nice. Okay. Next.
May tita papi at tita
Next, from Tito Papi and Tita Yeye. Open mo.
Pink plus. What is this? What?
Headphone?
Headphone.
Wow.
Yan din sa akin. Kamukhang sobrang liit ng headphones.
Oh, banda na naman kay Sarah. No, fit na yan kay Kuya.
Liit ng box eh.
Try mo. Kung kasya sa'yo. Nothing na.
Is there a charger?
Baka wireless. Try mo muna.
Where's the charger?
May charger? Okay.
There's like two. I think it's also foldable.
Foldable.
Ang bed mo.
Hindi, ganyan yata talaga. Adjustable. Ayan. Tik na mabali ni Caleb. Yan. Yan. Right. Wow! Chig, 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 chig. Nice. Happy birthday, Caleb. Happy ka ba today?
Yeah.
Are you happy today sa birthday mo?
Yeah.
Okay, happy birthday.
That's-
Love
this is-
you.
So this is charge. This is a charge. So this is a charger. And this is where to plug.
Caleb, ano, what can you say about your birthday today? Ha?
It was. Wait. It was good.
Enjoy ka?
Yeah, because my friends also come over.
Okay.
Now it be like one of those because now like almost it's like a full family and friends, right?
Happy ka?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.